Download the corresponding app to your mobile device. You can scan the QR code in the user manual. Open the app and sign up for a new account or log in with an existing account. Turn on your unit. Ensure that the Wi-Fi function is enabled. Long press the mode button on the control panel for 3 seconds to open the Wi-Fi module. After logging in, tap Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions. Select the corresponding air conditioner model and connect to it. Connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your mobile device. Once connected successfully, select the device location, untap Complete to complete the setup. Follow the instructions. You can now control your air conditioner through the app.